Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing product right here, and basically what this is a pain reliever. So for this brand they actually have the product available in many different options like liquid or gel or even like roll-on option, which is what we have right here. So say for the one that we got right here from this brand, and they mentioned how it's for pain relief and it works like instantly once you guys do apply on. And on the side of the product they do mention how you guys want to shake it well before you guys use it. So if you guys are curious about when to use it, they basically mention how you want to use it when it's like sore muscle, back aches, sore joints, arthritis, and the list goes on. So maybe if you guys had a long workout or a long day of work and you guys feel pain or something, then that is where one actually comes in handy. And if you guys notice the one that I got right here, it only comes with one. They do have this available in like 2 packs, 3 packs, and the list goes on. So depending on how many you need, that is up to you guys. But let's open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open it, here is basically what the inside looks like. So if you guys notice for the top part here is basically like a roller ball option. So all you need to do is just roll this against your skin and that will apply the ointment or whatever onto your skin wherever you guys feel pain or soreness. And when you guys smell it, it definitely has a pretty strong like menthol scent. So that is basically what the inside looks like. Now let me apply this onto my skin to show you guys how it works and describe to you guys how it feels. So all you guys need to do is go like this. And then once you guys do that, you can definitely feel the ointment or the liquid inside apply onto your skin. And when you guys do smell it, you can definitely smell the formula that's on here. And it hasn't even been a minute yet, I can definitely feel like the cooling effect starting immediately. So once you guys do that, you do have the option to use your hand to kind of rub against it, or you can just let it dry by itself since it is like a roll-on option, which is pretty cool. But once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up. And just save it for next time when you guys need to use it again. But definitely after just applying a little bit on here, it feels super nice. I do feel like that cooling effect instantly on here once I do apply on. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to end the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality pain reliever cream or something to apply anywhere on your body that feels sore and etc. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.